Morning, adventure folks. So that's why I am today. We are supposed to be doing some trail explorations towards the waterfall. Let's go. We have arrived at the trailhead. So we are going to look for a trail to the top of a waterfall. Not the viewpoint, but to the top of a waterfall. So and then we are scouting a couple of places for the upcoming navigation course as well. So that is the plan, right?
Yeah.
So
we are going to check whether we can rappel on this waterfall.
Yeah, so looking for potential rappel spots so we can come and explore more later. You guys should know if you have watched the previous vlog, which is up there. Of course, I can't give you the actual location and details for obvious reasons, but promise you to show you the trail, the hike, the process and the view. We are basically on top of the waterfall. So this is how it flows. That side is the actual viewpoint, so we are on top of the waterfall now. So a few minutes into the trek, Ashraya's shoes gave in and she was walking pretty much without sole for the whole hike. I'll ask her about it at the end. Wait for the speech. Getting into the waterfall was awesome. So that was a blessing. So now we are headed to the second spot to scout some hills for the navigation course that's coming up. Hike 2. We are going through some trail nearby to the waterfalls we just went. This is breakfast, lunch for today. End of the exploration. So we found some potential rappel points which we will do on a later date. So Ashraya, how was it hiking soleless today?
Good day to get out on the horse. Nice ride, and the waterfalls place was good.
How was it hiking soleless? soulless.
Oh yeah, it's like there's very close contact with Mother Earth and me. So it was just a very thin layer between us two. So we had some intense connection.
That's a justification.
Yeah. So that happened because I lost my soul, literally, in literal sense, both my feet.
Okay, so let's head back home. That's the end of the day. We found multiple waterfalls, roamed around in random multiple trails. But hey, that's how exploration works. Much needed exploration after sitting at home for a long time. So no matter how rusty from the lockdown, you're always fit enough to do a hike. I'll see you in the next adventure.